Cathie Wood, investing opportunity of a lifetime. God will not present you a better opportunity. Cathie Wood, the founder and CEO of ARK Invest, believes that we are currently witnessing the investing opportunity of a lifetime. According to Wood, the convergence of technologies on the 5 major platforms, similar to the impact of the telephone, electricity, and automobile in the early 1900s, will lead to explosive growth in the coming years. Wood identifies 3 revolutions that are taking place simultaneously: the money revolution, the financial revolution, and the next-gen internet revolution. The money revolution is centered around cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin and Ether leading the way. Wood envisions a future where these digital currencies become a global, private, rules-based monetary system. This idea resonated with Wood's colleague Art, who had been searching for an alternative to the gold exchange standard since the 1970s. The potential size of this market is enormous, with the U.S. monetary base currently at $8 trillion compared to Bitcoin's market cap of $750 to $800 billion. One recent development supporting Wood's thesis is the adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender in El Salvador. This move by the small Central American country has drawn both praise and criticism, but it represents a significant step forward in the mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. It also serves as a signal to other countries that digital currencies can offer a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies. In addition to the money revolution, Wood also emphasizes the importance of the financial revolution. This revolution is driven by technologies such as blockchain, decentralized finance or DeFi, and digital wallets. These innovations have the potential to democratize financial services and provide access to millions of people who are currently underserved by traditional banking systems. Wood believes that these technologies will revolutionize industries such as lending, insurance, and asset management, creating new investment opportunities along the way. Finally, Wood highlights the next-gen internet revolution, which encompasses technologies such as artificial intelligence or AI, robotics, and virtual reality or VR. The metaverse, a virtual reality space where people can interact with each other and digital objects, is a key component of this revolution. Wood sees tremendous potential in companies involved in AI, robotics, VR, and also augmented reality or AR, as they will shape the future of entertainment, education, and communication. Investors who recognize the significance of these revolutions and position themselves accordingly stand to benefit greatly. Wood's optimistic outlook is backed by her track record of successful investments in innovative companies. ARK Invest actively managed exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have consistently outperformed the market, and Wood's foresight has earned her a reputation as one of the most influential and respected investors in the industry. However, it is important to note that investing in emerging technologies and cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks. The volatility of the crypto market, regulatory uncertainties, and the potential for technological disruptions are factors that investors should carefully consider. It is crucial to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions in these areas. In a recent discussion on the investing opportunities of a lifetime, Cathie Wood emphasized the growing significance of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. She pointed out that the financial revolution brought by digital currencies is eliminating the need for middlemen in the financial ecosystem, making them a real threat to traditional institutions. And this is evident from the rise of decentralized finance, where lending and saving take place on blockchain networks, offering lower loan rates and higher saving rates compared to traditional banking systems. Wood believes that DeFi is scaling rapidly and has proven its resilience during market downturns. Despite Bitcoin and Ethereum experiencing significant price drops last year, the leverage within the DeFi system did not topple them. This indicates that these networks are becoming stronger and more anti-fragile as they continue to withstand market volatility and external pressures. Another major opportunity Wood highlighted is the next-generation internet revolution. She envisions a future where consumers take control of their data, eroding the dominance of data aggregators like Google, Amazon, and Facebook. By leveraging blockchain technology and AI, innovative solutions can be created, particularly in the healthcare sector. With the increasing availability and affordability of genomic sequencing, there is a wealth of healthcare data that can be utilized for advancements in medical research and treatment. Wood also mentioned the use of non-fungible tokens or NFTs in the creator economy. NFTs represent unique digital assets like artwork, music, and collectibles, and creators can receive royalties whenever their creations are sold or used. This presents an exciting development in the art and music world, where artists can benefit from ongoing revenue streams even after their works are resold or reproduced. However, Wood acknowledges the need for a balanced approach, particularly regarding regulations. While she believes in the power of free markets, she acknowledges the importance of reasonable regulatory oversight to ensure market integrity and protect investors. The investing opportunities that Wood highlighted reflect her belief that cryptocurrencies, DeFi, and blockchain technology will play a significant role in shaping the future of finance, data ownership, and the creator economy. As these sectors continue to evolve and mature, they offer potentially lucrative investment opportunities for those willing to embrace the changing landscape. Wood points out that countries like Singapore, Australia, and the UK are eagerly welcoming innovation, especially in the aftermath of Brexit, which gives them an edge in attracting technological advancements. Wood draws parallels between the regulation of drones and the current situation with cryptocurrencies. When Wood started her company in 2014, the Federal Aviation Administration stated that drones could not be a consideration for years. However, companies like Amazon took their drone operations to countries like India, Australia, and Hong Kong, which embraced the technology more readily. Eventually, the FAA recognized the potential of drones and adjusted its regulations accordingly. According to Wood, a similar scenario is unfolding with crypto. She has been impressed by the regulators she has interacted with, such as Gary Gensler, the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Gensler, who was a professor in the blockchain space at MIT, understands the power of the technology and aims to regulate it in a way that promotes success for the United States. Wood's assessment reflects the growing consensus among industry leaders that the United States needs to adopt a more progressive and forward-thinking approach to cryptocurrency regulation. While the U.S. has historically been at the forefront of technological innovation, its conservative regulatory stance has allowed other countries to take the lead in this emerging field. Indeed, countries like Singapore have become crypto-friendly havens, attracting numerous blockchain and digital asset companies. Their clear regulatory frameworks and supportive environments have positioned them as global hubs for crypto innovation. Similarly, Australia has embraced cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, recognizing their potential to drive economic growth and create new job opportunities. Even the UK, after its departure from the European Union, has shown a willingness to embrace innovation. The government has established regulatory sandboxes and launched initiatives to support the development of cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. These measures aim to create a favorable environment for startups and entrepreneurs, fostering technological advancements that can bolster the country's post-Brexit economy. Wood's observation suggests that the United States must take immediate steps to keep pace with the global shift towards crypto and blockchain technologies. While there are concerns about investor protection and financial stability, overly restrictive regulations can stifle innovation and push businesses and talent abroad. Striking a balance between regulation and fostering innovation will be crucial for the U.S. to maintain its competitive edge. In the realm of innovation, Cathie has unveiled a fascinating investment opportunity that could potentially revolutionize the renewable energy sector. Through a collaborative research effort with Square, Wood suggests that integrating Bitcoin mining into utility infrastructure could significantly boost the adoption of renewables. The concept behind this idea is quite intriguing. In locations with ample sunlight, such as St. Petersburg, excess power generated from solar panels often goes to waste once home batteries are fully charged. Wood proposes directing the surplus energy towards Bitcoin mining. By doing so, not only can the excess power be put to good use, but the ecosystem surrounding Bitcoin mining can also benefit. The revenue generated from Bitcoin mining could be channeled back into funding solar, wind, and other renewable energy projects. ARK Investment's alignment with Square on this matter marks a promising step forward. The collaboration underscores the shared vision of accelerating the adoption of renewables through innovative solutions. Ultimately, this collaboration showcases a forward-thinking approach to innovation and sustainability. By identifying synergies between different sectors such as renewable energy and cryptocurrency, new opportunities for growth and progress can emerge. Hey, that's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more like this, and thank you for watching.